guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my midweek haul for you guys. So listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, I need 15 offers for $3. I'm also going to be finishing off the larger bonus as well, getting back $15. Okay, listen, y'all. If y'all watched my last two videos about my points and stuff and they glitching, then you know that it's glitching still. And two of my gift cards did cash out. And I honestly I've been doing a lot of my point deals for that reason, because you're getting back an extra $10. So, and I wasn't sure how I was going to count that, because I wasn't sure if the gift cards would actually, like, I would get it back or not, or if they would fix it, obviously, because it's like a glitch. And basically it's costing you the same amount of points for a $15 gift card. It's only PayPal, but it's costing you the same 2,400 points whether you get a $15 PayPal or $25 PayPal. So I've been getting $25 PayPal. So basically it's like a $10 moneymaker. And so for each one, and I did 5 total, and then I did another 2 today, so 7 total. The ones from the first already paid out yesterday, so I'm gonna count it once it pays out. I'm just gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna count an extra $20 for this haul, you guys, because I did get back an extra $20, which is $10 per. And so yeah, that's pretty awesome. And I thought they would have fixed it by now, but they haven't. And so yeah, so it's still glitching. And so I've been doing pretty much all my points. I'm not even joking. Other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
So this first deal is on the Kinder bars. I'm gonna do this deal this time around. They're priced at $1.48, getting back $1 on Ibotta, making them 48 cents each with a limit of 5. So I'm gonna definitely do this deal. It's on the Jimmy Dean griddle cakes. They are priced at $6.26. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $12.52. You'll get back 1,190 points on my points, which is $7.43, and then $1.82 for each on checkout 51, making them 72 cents each. Now with this deal, I'm gonna go ahead and just max it out and grab 4. And I think I'm gonna be a greedy ass and grab the biscuit ones again. I'm gonna grab the honey one this time around, priced at $7.53. You wanna grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $15.06 out of pocket, getting back 1,190 points on my points, which is $7.43, and then $1.82 for each on checkout 51, making them $1.99 each, which is not bad. And I'm looking forward to trying the honey ones, because I know that the buttermilk ones were really good. It was on the Florida's Natural. This did pop back up on Flavor Wiki. I did put up a post on my community tab a few days ago now, I guess. So check and see if you have the surveys for it. They're priced at $336 for the no pulp, getting back $6 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $2.64 moneymaker. Now I do have an offer for the Uncle Matt's as well. I did that at Sprouts, and this time it's $12 back. So I grabbed one at $7.99, got back $12, made it a $4.01 moneymaker, which is so awesome. All right, guys. So listen, I'm not gonna make y'all wait. I wanted to announce the giveaway for the per sale coupons. Now, I was at a store that I don't ever really go to. It's a really small one, and I found some more hang tags. So I decided to add 2 additional winners. So I'm choosing 5 of you guys that are going to get 4 per sale coupons. I'll include my email address for you to email me, and I'll get those ships out as soon as I can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, so this deal here is on the Beneful. It's on the 3-pack, price at $2.74. I'm going to give you 2 different options for this. You can just grab one of them. You'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta plus a 10 cent any dog rebate as well that's attaching. And then last but not least, 355 kicks on Shopkick, which is 142. It would make that 72 cents for one 3-pack. The other option is to grab 2 of them. You'd pay $5.48, get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta, $1 on checkout 51, 170 points on my point, which is 106, and then again 355 kicks on Shopkick, which is 142. It'll make it only 50 cents per 3-pack or 16 cents per can. I'm also going to grab the single can price at 92 cents. And for this, you can grab either 1 or you can grab 3. So if you want to grab 1, you'd pay 94 cents. You'd get back 335 kicks on Shopkick, which is 134. And then 75 cents on Ibotta, making that $1.17 moneymaker. Or you can grab 3 of them and you'd pay $2.82, get back 75 cents for buying 3 on Ibotta, 75 cents for buying 3 on checkout 51, 127 points on my point, which is 79 cents. And then last but not least, 335 kicks on Shopkick, which is 134. So it'll make that an 81-cent moneymaker. I went ahead and did it both ways, to be honest, and yeah, either way, it's a great deal. Now, I did pick up the Tuscan style for both offers for Shopkick, and they both did scan. All right, so I'm also going to be grabbing the Caesars. These are the blah, blah, blah. I don't know why I keep stuttering so much today. I think I left my tongue at home. Their price is 78 cents. We're going to grab 2 of these. There's a buy one, get one free offer on Ibotta. So you will end up paying $156, getting back 78 cents on Ibotta, making them only 39 cents each. All right, guys. So of course I did the Purcell again. Big shout out to Danielle again. She had posted in her last Walmart video that you could do it for, well, you could get 4 bags. Or, well, the deal was twice. And so I'm going to do the Purcell, the 16 count bags. They're on rollback for $4.77. I'm going to go ahead and grab, well, if you want to grab 2, you can just grab 2 of them. I've been using these $2 hang tags right here. That's going to bring that total down to you paying $5.54 out of pocket. You'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's $2.75 on Swagbucks. Last but not least, we've got a total of 310 buy and scan kicks on Shopkick, which is 124. We're making them a 45-cent moneymaker. And I went ahead and just grabbed a total of 4 of them, making all 4 free plus a 90-cent moneymaker. I was going to do the bigger ones again, but they haven't restocked on the active one. And so if you can find the active one, you want to grab the original one and the active one. They're on rollback for $11.47. Use the same $2 coupons right there. You'll end up paying $18.94 out of pocket, getting back 8 on Ibotta. A total of $6.37 for my points, and then last but not least, $3.44 from Shopkick, making them only 56 cents each.
All right, so next up is the Super Fiber. It's priced at $18.88. You want to grab 2 different flavors. You end up paying $37.76 out of pocket, getting back $18.88 from Aisles, and then you also get back $18.88 from Vtagz. I'll have links in the description. I also had a 50% back on Social Nature, and then $3 back for each on Ibotta, making this a $15.44 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Claritin. It's on the liquid one. It's priced at $23.12, getting back $8 on Ibotta. I also have $8.50 on my points, and then $8 on checkout 51, making this a $1.38 moneymaker. All right, and last but not least is the Bounce Static Spray, priced at $5.68. Getting back $2.85 on Ibotta, another $1.50 on Fetch, bringing them down to only $1.33 each. Right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This looks so freaking amazing. This is awesome right here. I'm loving this haul. I'm trying to make this quick so I could put these Jimmy Deans back in the freezer. So listen, this worked out really, really good. If you got to this clip, don't forget to smash the like button for your girl. If you got to this point, like this point right here, don't forget to hit the like button. I really, really appreciate it. And so listen, a few things I didn't mention in the video. One of you guys hit me up this morning. I will pop up your comment that there's an offer on Ibotta for peroxide, or I think it's First Aid or something like that at CVS, and it's 75 cents back, and these are only 99 cents. So nice little item that you can grab, throw in your first aid kit, you know.
and the limit is 5, so I went ahead and maxed it out on that deal. I found these on clearance yesterday for $4. It's only number 40, getting back $3 on Ibotta, and then I also had $2 on my points. So I went ahead and maxed it out on Ibotta and grabbed 2 of them, making them both free. Found the Ocuvite for $4.50, got back 5 on Shopmium, and 850 points on my points. It made that a really, really awesome moneymaker. What else? The Folgers. I wanted to try the Folgers and see if it was still working on the sister apps, and that one is. I did get back the points on my points, which is awesome. The ink box. I was so happy that I found more. I took a chance. I figured they were only $1, so let me just go ahead and just do 3 transactions. I did reset for the second receipt, so I'm still waiting for the third one to reset tomorrow morning. Getting back $3 for each on Ibotta. Now, I did have to put a request in. This item was approved because none of them were scanning. So just keep that in mind. The offer is available for Walmart. Actually, Walmart Rewards, since it's not scanning for Ibotta, it's not going to work for Walmart Rewards. So I didn't even take a chance with Walmart Rewards, to be honest. I mentioned in my last video about the Claritin. One of you guys did mention that deal as well to me. And so with that, I didn't originally get credit for it on Checkout 51. I told y'all we're going to have to treat Checkout 51 like we treated Shopmium and submit receipts there first, wait for them to clear. And so that one didn't go through, but it didn't. It said I've already received the maximum limit or something like that. But then when I clicked on the email, it said that they couldn't find the item to circle it. So I had to put a ticket in. And they got back to me and did credit me the $8 for that, which is cool because I did not want to have to take it back because I already had got credit on Ibotta and my points. And so there's that. This is the candy I did at Vons. I put a community post up for the Vons stuff, but the fall ones right here are priced at $4.99, getting back 1,300 kicks on Shopkick, limit of 3. So I found 3 at Albertsons, and then when I went to Vons, I only found 1 little bag. So I got 4 of those total, and then these right here are priced at $3.99, getting back, I want to say 750 kicks on Shopkick. It made those like $1.15, I want to say. But I'm just trying to like stock up on the candy now for the neighborhood kids for Halloween, so that way I'm not paying a lot of money out of pocket, because that's not me. I will have my lights off before I do that. And so there was that. What else? The wheat thins, I did that deal again. Only thing is no more fetch, no more Ibotta, so I made those 72 cents each. I think that's an awesome price for me because I buy that anyways, and like I told y'all, one of the last times I bought a box, it was like almost $4. So yeah, happy about that deal. This is the free item at Vons, our Safeway affiliates on the hot and spicy Firewalk. Those are $129, and there's a digital that you can clip, making it absolutely free. You guys, this orange juice right here, I do truly believe that you get what you pay for, y'all. This orange juice right here is so freaking good. My favorite orange juice, y'all. Would I pay $10 for it? No, I wouldn't. But I'm happy that Flavor Wiki offered it for the second time, and I was able to get 2 bottles for free though on that. And not just that, because this was $8, and I got back 12 for Flavor Wiki, so I made that a $4 moneymaker. And this up here was like a $2 moneymaker. So to get the juices for free is awesome, right? So other than that, you guys, I think that basically covers it. So everything you see here retails $227.93. I had $14.64 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $213.29. Then we walk away with $62.34 from Ibotta. We got $61.43 from my points, $34.92 from Shopkick. Checkout 51 was $20.67. Aisles was $18.88. Vtagz was also $18.88. That was for the super fiber. Flavor Wiki is $18. Social Nature was $9.44. Swagbucks $5.50. Shopmium $5. Brand Club $4.50, and Fetch Your Wart was $3. We walk away with a total of $260.56, y'all, making this a $49.27 moneymaker, which is so freaking awesome. Now my tax was $8.69, so even after tax we still make $40, which is cool, right? Especially because we got all this food stuff. I'm loving this haul, now really quick, I did mention in the intro clip that with my points and it being an extra $10 when you cash out for PayPal, for the $25 gift card, since it's only costing you 2,400 points, I am counting that extra $10 per gift card. And so as of today, I have redeemed 7 of them so far, and 2 of them have cashed out. So I did add an extra $20 to my points total. And then what else? With Brand Club, because a couple of you guys have asked, with Brand Clubs, it is instant rewards now. So you don't have to buy specific items for specific things or anything like that anymore. Just do the survey and you get paid. Yes, you do have to hit the minimum before you cash out. And yes, they do charge you a fee for that as well. I think it's like $1.50. And so other than that, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and go out the door, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.